Landfills, plastic waste, toxic runoff. It gets out of hand. It's up to us to take care of this beautiful planet we live on, so our future looks like this and not like this. What if we could show you a way to save hundreds of dollars, help save the environment, and at the same time keep poisonous chemicals out of your home? NeoLife is a pioneer in the creation and delivery of earth-friendly home care products. Golden Home Care. We've been green since the 1960s, before it became fashionable. All of our products are phosphate-free and use 100% biodegradable surfactants. Super 10 is a concentrated heavy-duty cleanser. This is your choice for the toughest, greasiest jobs. It's versatile and economical. One product is useful in every room of the house. Effective on every tough job, from removing stubborn fabric stains to cleaning garage floors and outdoor furniture. The industrial strength formula is harmless to any surface and has a unique three-way action that penetrates, dissolves, and emulsifies. Super 10 is completely free rinsing. It leaves no soapy residue. LDC is a concentrated light-duty cleanser. It's the mildest, most versatile household cleaner. Its voluminous foam effectively cuts grease. Ideal for dishes, glassware, flatware, pots, pans, fine china, and ceramics. It's very gentle on hands. Its neutral pH doesn't irritate skin. LDC is completely free rinsing. It leaves no soapy residue. Green is a personal care cleanser that's versatile and economical. One product washes hands, body, plants, pets, and clothes. It features CalPro, an exclusive organic protein base derived from kelp for effective, gentle cleansing. It has natural pH, fully compatible with skin and non-drying. Green is free rinsing, no residue to attract additional dirt or cause irritation. G1 Laundry Compound is a concentrated laundry powder that's organic and 100% biodegradable surfactants. It eliminates tough stains and makes your clothes look like new. It softens and refreshes as it washes. It's also safe for fine washables. G1's free rinsing formula helps keep clothes bright and eliminates potentially irritating residues. Great for sensitive skin. It helps prevent corrosion of washing machines and won't cause scum buildup. Golden Home Care by NeoLife. For a cleaner home and a healthier planet.